Hello everyone, welcome to Genius Dreams Education channel, and today we are going to continue our lesson on website development. Today we are going to look at how we can move from one website to another website. So I'm having my website here. This is the index.html, button.html, and lastly signup.html. So I'm going to look at how we are going to move from this website to this website to this website. So first of all, let me refresh those pages for you to see. So this is my index.css. I'm coming. Let me save them. So that's the first one. Then let me refresh the sign up too. So this is my sign up file. And lastly, that's the buttons. And let me come, and this is the buttons. So now you're going to look at how we can move from this web page to this web page. There are three of them. So when we start, you get to know how it works. So that's the lesson for today. So I've just created all of them. So let's go to our code editor and move to our first HTML file. So for the first HTML file, we are going to use the link tag to link it with the other HTML file. So the link tag or the anchor tag, let me use the anchor tag, href. Then the first HTML we are going to move to is the button.html, but let me deal with the sign up first. I would like to go to the sign up HTML first and then the next one. So let me give it a test of, let's say, sign up. So this is the anchor tag, and this tag provide this one, makes this one a link and take you from one page to another. So let's copy this and duplicate it. And then let's make this one to the other name for the, so let me make that one the name of the other website, and the name of the other website is the buttons.html. So buttons.html, let me save, and now let's refresh the page. That's the index.html. So I'll go to my index.html, and you can see we are having it here. Sign up, sign up. So when you click on it, it will take you to the buttons tutorial. So let's make the changes. Let's change this one. So let me say this text to be, let's say, go to my buttons. This is just a tutorial, so we are not taking much emphasis on the text or how the links. The main idea is to know how to link a web page to another web page. So now we can save, and let's refresh the page again. Let me come here and refresh it because that one is not taking us back. So now you can see. So this one is for the sign up. If I click on it, it will take me to the sign up. So I want to provide another link that will take me back to the other. So when I click on it, it will take me here to the sign up. If I click on my buttons, it will take me to my buttons. So I want to also provide a link that will take me from my buttons to my index files. So let's check that one too out. So I'm going to copy this same link code, and I'm going to paste it in the next HTML file. So then the sign up, I'll maintain it and change the buttons because this is the buttons HTML. So actually this is a home page for this button. So I'm going to change the name of this one and give it to the first HTML index.html. So I can change this one to go to my index file. So go to my index file for that one. Then let me copy it again and paste it in the last HTML file. So for this HTML file, I'm going to change this one and let me make this one the sign up file. So sign up.html, sign up. Now this one should be the buttons.html because the sign up is actually the home for this one. So buttons.html, and let me make it go to my buttons page. So go to my buttons page. Let me save. So now I'm going to refresh from the sign up and move to the other HTML. So I'm going to start from the sign up. So you can see this is the sign up form. So if I want to go to my index, I'll click on it and it will take me to my index. This is the content of my index. If I want to go to my buttons, I'll click on go to my buttons. If I want to go back to my index, I'll click on my index. If I want to move from here to sign up, I'll click on sign up. If I want to go to my buttons, I click on here. So this is how you can move from one web page to another web page using the anchor tag or the A tag. And you can also break it, use the break to create space between them. So let's save and do same for the rest so that we can differentiate between the links. Let's save and do same for the first HTML file. Let's save and then refresh the page again. So now you can see how the page looks like. So as usual, I can then go further and use CSS to style them. But for this one, we are just looking at how we can move from one page to another. If I click on sign up, it will take me to sign up. If I click on my index, it will take me to my index. If I click on go to my buttons, it will take me to here is my button. If I click on go to my index, it will take me back to my index. Sign up, it will take me to sign up website to another. So that's somehow interesting. You don't worry, I said at the end of the course, you get your own website, you develop your own website. So this is the end of this lesson and we've learned how to use the anchor tag or the A tag to move from one web page to another. We said you bring that the HTML name, then you give some text to show what this link is about. And we use the BR to create some space between the two links, and here to create space between the link and the content of the HTML. But one thing I didn't talk about it is before you can move from one page to another, you have to make sure that all your files are within the same folder. That's one technique you have to look at. So you can see my buttons, my sign up, and my index file, they are all within the same folder. That's the forms folder. If they are to be in different folder, then you have to use the folder path or the file path to search for your file. So in such a case, if let's say the sign up was within different folder and that folder was, let's say, sign up folder, when I'm referencing my sign up or I'm calling my sign up or when I'm linking my sign up, I'll bring first of all the folder name. So maybe it's within sign up folder or link folder. I'll bring the link folder as, let's say, link folder, then slash to give the folder path or the file path, then slash the name. So this is how we use it. If the sign up was to be in different folder, the folder name, then the file within the folder. So we will look at that in our next lesson too. You don't worry about that. So now that is the end of this lesson. Please subscribe to my channel to get any updates on website development. Thank you. Bye.